In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm using MaxFusion to create the viral Pixar-style ads that you've probably been seeing across your feed, and how I created this entire video in less than 30 minutes. So on screen here, I'm going to show you the exact video that I created, and then I'll show you how I did it.
I can't do this anymore. It's too hot. I'm literally melting.
Oh boy, I can't wait to cool my owner's home. What another beautiful day.
Another repair isn't gonna fix me. I can barely keep the house cool anymore. I need to retire soon, man.
I can heat and cool your home all year round without breaking a sweat. Upgrade to a new heat pump now from EcoCare Home Comfort, starting at just $59.99 per month. Click the link to learn more.
Okay, so the tool that I used to create that, as I mentioned, was called MaxFusion. And so MaxFusion is really one of the best AI video ad creation platforms that I've found. They have a ton of capabilities, and you can see they have a ton of different formats that they're showing even on this on their homepage right here. But one of the key things about MaxFusion that makes their AI UGC and AI videos so good is called their model RIZZ. And so that allows you to animate different characters, and so you can just take an image and animate that particular image, or you can take, you know, any actor or image as well of like a real person, and it will animate that image using real emotion. And so a lot of different features from this as well, but yeah, overall really good products. So we're in my account here, and I'm just going to go over to the project that I used to create this. Now what you'll see here is that there's a bunch of different things, bunch of different scenes that I have created right here, a bunch of different videos, right, experimenting with the actual product. But the couple of things that I want to highlight, first of all, is the copy lab. And so seen a lot of other videos on this channel, but what you're able to do with this feature right here is actually find a winning ad, upload it into MaxFusion, and then you can basically just take all the different scenes and the entire script, that entire transcript from that video, and you're able to then use that to then generate and basically make your own ad that's basically super close replica of that actual winning ad. And so I'd recommend doing that to start out, and then you can storyboard out, kind of basically how you want that ad to look. And so you can do that with either real UGC actors, or you can switch over to using Pixar style characters in this case. But again, keep that kind of scene consistency. And so for this video, I'm just going to show you really simply how to do that Pixar style ad creation. Again, because it's the fastest one to do, but you can get even more complex with this platform. So to do this, the first thing that you want to do is really generate your images. And so as you can see here below, I was generating some images from that actual competitor ad. And so I was actually looking at doing like a realistic UGC style ad. And so you can see right here, I took a real ad and I was actually, using these consistent character images from that existing person and putting them into the different scenes from that competitor ad to basically stitch together a full video. However, for the Pixar style video, what I did right here is I generated the Pixar style image of kind of the contrasted scene. And so it was a POV style, as I showed you, where it was the, your old AC unit versus your new AC unit. And so basically for this one, all I did was use Nano Banana 2. And so I went into this project right here, went to images, and then used Nano Banana 2 and this prompt to basically get this image. Make a Pixar-style AC unit outside a Toronto urban home. It's breaking down with steam and band-aids and sparks coming off of it. And so it gave me this image right here, which I thought was great. And then from that, now we just need the heat pump, the better version. And so same thing right here. Using Nano Banana 2, I prompted it to make a Pixar-style heat pump unit inside or outside a Toronto urban home. It's shiny and brand new with a lovable face full of energy, right? And so I got my two images right here, and now all we need to do is basically just animate these images and stitch them together. So to start that, step one is you're going to go into here and select the three dots, and you're going to go generate video. And we're going to select RIZZ. Out of all these different models, there's a ton. RIZZ is definitely the best, especially for animating those faces. And so as you can see here, a ton of different videos. And so experimenting with different voices, experimenting with different formats. And sometimes, it's going to get the style a bit wrong. Like this first one right here, it like generated a new face on top of the video, which I didn't really want. But all you got right here is you have your image, and then you're going to go ahead and add in your audio script right here. And then so what we can do is just go in and go generate speech right here. And you can either do text to speech, or if you have an audio file of the script that you want for this particular scene, you can go ahead and add that in. And so you can do this for multiple scenes. So if you have different images and all of them are going to have different scripts and you want to just animate that particular scene, you can easily do that just by selecting those different images that you create, keeping a consistent style, and then just adding in a new script and then stitching them together at the end, basically. So we're going to go back here, add this in. I was just doing text to speech right here. And then what you can do is you can either design a voice. So if you actually have 11 labs, you can go ahead and connect your API key and you can go ahead and create your own voice for, this particular character. In this case, all I did though was just I chose a voice, and they have hundreds of different voices right here. And so you can scroll through. In this case, I wanted a male voice that was an adult. And so from there, and you can select English. They're all going to be English though. And then you can kind of just listen to a few of them.
Hey there, welcome to MaxFusion. You can start using me as an actor for you.
So that's
Hey
Andre.
there, welcome to MaxFusion. You can start using
Andre 3. And so literally you just kind of go through, listen to a bunch of these. A lot of them sound good. Some of them sound, a little bit too much like AI. So I like the ones that sound more kind of natural and real. And so basically from there, what you're doing is you're selecting that video, and then we're inputting in our script right here. And then you're adding in some emotion as well. And so you can put this bracket right here. And so for this one, right, when it's the kind of the broken down AC unit, basically what we're looking to do is kind of do, size, sad, overall that kind of emotion. And then we just add in our script right here. Boom. So there we got our script right here. And now we have this voice, Andre, right here. You can change the voice settings, and so you can make it so that the model can be a bit more adventurous or keep it kind of consistent. I like to actually put the stability to 0 so it sounds a little bit more natural. And then we're just going to generate the audio and preview that before we actually generate the video.
I can't do this anymore. It's too hot. I'm literally melting.
Boom. So we're going to save that audio right here. And then what I was doing just for this, so you can add in emotions and behaviors. And so if you have a person like for this video right here, I kind of
Stay cool for the next decade with a 10-year warranty.
Express some like emotion with the ad, using hands naturally while talking naturally, right? And so that's kind of what you want to, express in this. So what I was doing was animate the face in the image, make the background move naturally, express some emotion with the face. So something like that, right? And then we can basically just go ahead and generate that video. And it's going to require us to use 5 tokens. Boom, we go ahead and generate that. And now that's going to load right here. So while that's loading, we can easily go ahead and basically do the same thing. And so we can take this, remix this, right? And so we have now basically the exact same prompt. Everything else is the exact same. And then we can go into here and take this. All right, so now we got our second part of the script, and we can preview this as well.
Another repair isn't going to fix me. I can barely keep the house cool anymore. I need to retire soon, man.
Awesome. So now we save that, and then boom, all this is the same. We go ahead and generate that video and confirm. And then basically we just do the same thing with the other image, right? So now we have this one as well, and we can go ahead and generate this. So we can go ahead and select this guy, and this is the image here. And then what we can do is go ahead and select this, and then let's go ahead and click generate video. Same thing, we're going to select RIZZ. And with this, again, saving some credits here, it looks like it generates and uses your credits up like as you generate the video. And so easier if you just add the entire script in for this particular image, if you're going to reuse that image, because you can generate up to 60 seconds with this. And so you can just use one prompt and you'll get a full video with that entire script. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm just going to actually grab this, add that in, same thing. And then we're going to go to generate speech. And then we are going to go to text to speech. We're going to choose a different voice for this guy. So okay, I'm going to go male. I'm going to go adult.
Hey there, welcome to MaxFusion. You can start using me as an actor for your next ad. Hey there, welcome to MaxFusion. You can start using.
All right, so I got a voice that I like, and then we can go ahead and generate this as well.
Oh boy, I can't wait to pull my owners home. What another beautiful day.
So then instead of the emotion for sad or sigh, I'm going to add in excited. And so that really changes the tone of the voice completely. And then we're going to go ahead and generate that audio.
Oh boy, I can't wait to cool my owners home. What another beautiful day.
Awesome. So that's the voice that we can go ahead and go with. We can easily change that as well. And so I'll go ahead and save this and then generate. But you can do, like, for example, this video right here that I already generated right here.
Oh boy, I can't wait to cool my owner's home. What another beautiful day.
So we have that. we could easily, if you didn't like that voice, you can easily just clone the voice right here. Or sorry, you can easily just go ahead and go replace voice, and then you can change that to any other voice within here that you want if you weren't happy with kind of the end result of that voice, and that doesn't use any credits. So I was doing that. I kind of played around with a lot of different voices to kind of get it just right. And now once we have all of our videos that we generated, all we're going to do now is just download those, bring them into a video editing software like CapCut, and we're going to stitch all of that together, add in the captions, add in the voiceover, any background music, and we are good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this.
I can't do this anymore. It's too hot. I'm literally melting.
So you can see that's the actual video right there. And then we also got this one.
Another repair isn't going to fix me. I can barely keep the house cool anymore. I need to retire soon, man.
Boom. So those look really good. So what we can do now, take this, go into CapCut. So we brought in all the clips into CapCut right here. And then basically all that we're doing is dropped those in. We added in the overhead text right here, POV, your old AC unit. We added in some like sad music right here and some happy music right for the positive AC unit. And then we had, you know, again, captions, happy and sad music. So very, very simple edits right there. And then again, gives us that final result that we're looking for.
I can't do this anymore. It's too hot. I'm literally melting.
Oh boy, I can't wait to cool my owner's home. What another beautiful day.
Another repair isn't going to fix me. I can barely keep the house cool anymore. I need to retire soon, man.
I can heat and cool your home all year round without breaking a sweat. Upgrade to a new heat pump now from EcoCare Home Comfort, starting at just $59.99 per month. Click the link to learn more.
So there you go. That's the end result. Entire Pixar style ad, all edited using MaxFusion. So look, if you enjoyed this video and you're looking to create your own Pixar style ads for whatever business, whatever niche you are in, I think you can get a creative way to actually make these ads in any industry, which is why I really like them. I have a link to MaxFusion down in the description below, so you can click that and you can get started with MaxFusion, create your own AI ads, and again, in just a few minutes. And I just scratched the surface here, but like I said, there's a lot of different ways to use this platform, and I really recommend jumping on there, experimenting with it, and trying to replicate some of those winning ads that you see out there and getting creative with unique styles. And lastly, if you guys did enjoy the video, would really appreciate a like and hitting that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to get to my first 10,000 subscribers, so everything goes a really long way. And let me know in the comments if you did have any questions or concerns with using the platform. I'm happy to answer those and collaborate further on how we can better use this platform and what kind of ads you're creating. And look, if you run Facebook ads or Google ads and you're looking to level up your ad game even further, I recommend you check out this video next. Until the next one, peace.